I ruined my nature movie. Ah! Ducky! Come closer, Ducky. Ducky flew in and then started quacking. And now he's up on a rock. She had a snake feather before. And I tried to do a duck impression. This is what I'm doing because I need to get cigarettes. And I don't know the goddamn hours in this small town. They seem to change all the time. I thought that my favorite store to remain unnamed was open today at 7. I'm hoping 7:30 because I really need cigarettes. And I don't know. Just waiting in the rain, getting soaked. Whoa, that was a cool one. Watching the wind make waves. Watching the rain make puddles and circles. Attempting to communicate with the ducks. Wait, I think I see another one. Almost is with me, but he doesn't want to go in the water, so he's not on this film very much. I thought you had a friend, duck. Hello, duck. Oh, there's just another little bird over there. It's not a duck. A couple birds over there. They're not as big as Ducky, though. Oh, here we go. Here's the stuff. Here comes another ducky. It's a male. They're prettier than the other one. Oh. You're fast. Yeah, you're really fast. Whoa. You're a super fast ducky. Goose. Whoa! Oh, Bubby. Monkey. Almost. Almost. You don't have to go in the water. It's okay. I know you don't want to. Just kidding. Now he's cleaning himself that new one. He's going to get up on land. Oh, oh. Are you gonna? Oh, something. Oh, look. Almost is gonna go duck hunting. It's duck hunt. Oh, okay. Are you gonna get him? Wanna go get the duck? That wouldn't be nice, bub. Right by ducks. I hate it when you get up early, but I don't know. Wave action this morning, and I think I'm definitely going to pull out of this. The duck's grooming, cleaning, washing. Whoa! He just got his ear and he ducked. I wish I could get a closer angle, but I'm not wearing my Wellingtons. I'm just wearing my crappy frickin' sneakers because I thought I was going to be quick. What kind of sneakers are these? They're Pumas. My Pumas. So we have 2 ducks, a dog, Alright. Let's say bye. Alright, monkey. I thought you were gonna be brave. Thought you were gonna... Hey! Almost! 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 Monk! Bub, sit! Come here. Do you want to go along? Let's check this crap out. Why are you... He's walking like an old man because he's wet and he doesn't want to be down by the water. He just wanted to get some cigarettes. Let's see what else we'll see today. If I had known that the store wasn't going to be open, I would have, first off, not come this early. Second off, I would have not worn my sneakers. I would have worn either my hiking boots, and of course the town is completely dead. Come on now, it's 7 o'clock. Irish time is ridiculous. Okay, here comes a big fucking truck. Almost, no. Almost is trying to kill himself. Oh, it's only the Ellis truck. I thought it was one of the lumber trucks. So that's the hotel. The Breffney Arms. Owned by the Gray family. Let's cross over. And that is a private bus. It's going to cabin. So this is the main hotel in town. Breffney. Because we're Borderland. Breffney. Now it's really coming down. I like the doors of the Breffney. Pretty cool. It's the Breffney Arms Hotel. They also have apartments, which me and Maeve and Emer and Jesse and Henry stayed in. Okay, now I have to take care of the dog because he's pooping in front of the hotel and I have to poop scoop, so that's it for now. I'm hoping to fucking God I can get some cigarettes. This was supposed to be a silent nature film. What the fuck? I have a big mouth. Alright, ow. Oh my gosh. My hands are so red. Buddy, say bye. I gotta clean up your mess. That was a nice one. Good shape. Nice consistency.